Welcome back, everyone. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter here, outside, taking some pictures of the big oak bowl that I did last year. The lighting's pretty good today. It's not brilliant sunshine. It allows me to get in and show you a little bit about the coloring. Get some close-ups here. See where the sapwood was, there and there. So this was red oak. It was 26 inches when I started. Ended up being about 25 and a half green. Turned it once. Sanded it. Let it dry. Came back and ebonized it. And then began the finishing process. So it probably measures 25 inches across one way and a little bit longer the other way at this time. If you know of anyone who has a gallery that would like to show this piece, share the video with them. Have them contact me. I'd love to see this in a gallery somewhere. Tried giving it to AAW for the upcoming symposium, but they said I had to be there in person, and unfortunately that is not going to happen. So here we sit. So if you have any questions about the bowl, or how I made it, how I ebonized it, just leave your questions in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer them. But it was a fun project, and I wish I could do more like this, even bigger. So that's about it for today. And as you can tell by the road noise, I'm outdoors. This is live. And so glad you could be with me today. It means a lot to me. So in closing, we'll get a nice shot down here with the evergreens in the back. And I appreciate you being here. You mean a lot to me. Head out to your shop. Go make something special. Walter out.